The tour of Neelum River. In a beautiful valley, where blue water flowed between the mountains, the Neelum River flowed with all its charm. This river was not only famous for its beauty, but also for the mysterious stories that had been told for centuries. Invitation to travel. Ronnie, a young girl, always listened to the stories of the Neelum River. Her elders would say that the river hid magical secrets in its depths. Ronnie longed to discover these secrets herself. One day, when the sky was clear and the air filled with fragrance, Ronnie decided to embark on a journey to explore the Neelum River. The journey begins. Ronnie prepared her small boat and set off on the peaceful waters of the river. As she moved forward, rows of tall trees along the riverbank welcomed her. The soft humming from the river's depths, combined with the sounds of birds flying in the air, created a captivating melody, the secrets of the river. After a few hours of travel, Ronnie found a place where the river's water appeared to glow with a sparkling blue-green hue. An old sailor told her, "This place is special, but its secrets are revealed only to those who have truth and good intentions in their hearts." Ronnie kept the sailor's words in mind, closed her eyes, and prayed with all her heart. When she opened her eyes, she saw a play of lights in the water. It seemed as if a magical world existed beneath the water's surface. Glimpse of the magical world summoning her courage. Ronnie steered her boat toward the shore and peered into the river's water. Suddenly, she saw a light that appeared to be a door beneath the water. She took a deep breath and jumped into the water. Underwater, Ronnie witnessed an astonishing sight, a city filled with the light of Neelum, where magical beings resided. They were waiting for her. One of them said, "We are the guardians of Neelum, and we are showing you these secrets because you have curiosity and truth in your heart. A precious gift these beings gave Ronnie, a piece of Neelum filled with magical energy. They told her, 'This is for you. Whenever you need hope, it will guide you. But share this secret only with those who are true of heart.'" The return. When Ronnie returned to her boat, she was filled with awe and joy. She knew she had not only experienced a dreamlike adventure, but also gained an important responsibility. Back in the village, she told only her closest friends about her magical journey. And whenever she sat by the river, the peace of Neelum would bring peace to her heart. The end. It is said that after Ronnie, many others visited the Neelum River, but no one ever saw that magical world again. Perhaps the secret only reveals itself to those who believe in their dreams and the truth of their hearts.